Yeah, the person we can say unim say Western region there. Unipa can abaha. And then the miracle no free me constituency and there are certain things I would like to address Timbaumia and as a delegate on this platform so no. Omo betumi afamu aba na say be and throw any propaganda omo enama omo spread. I think first of all no in information so be baha evaluate nyomorojura 3 p.m. but it got now around 2 p.m. sa oba na abo 5 ti ono kwara no sisi delegate I wo evaluate nyomorojura no who say on your time conscious
And Pacho, who is the earpiece
one
now?
thing on the grounds we notice but I am met where you everyone
Pacho, you why? I saying something very important,
Yes.
Auntie. We want to hear you well. All right.
What? Okay.
Uh-huh.
Since I say out to me,
Yeah.
yeah.
What's your
As I
bedroom
said,
time,
no,
Ben?
on your time conscious. Okay, so be here and 3 o'clock and 5 o'clock now by.
Okay.
So now delegate you move baby and we say he's not time conscious. As a leader, so they say odo umre at the ejuma. And secondly, Adia me who of anyone was like the campaign team members no moved non-delegate to the venue just to impress him say the constituency Ajinatu, which on the contrary is not like that because me in my constituency I know the the coordinators very well. So on the grounds I was talking to a lot and I know one coordinator from a polling electoral area. It won't be fair for him to be mentioned here.
Yeah.
Okuta delegate, Okuta delegate 36. Delegate in one electoral area, and out of 36, they move 15 penny to me show up, and they showed up even with some statement say, you have to say or just 700 cities into no more about say, Omobejo or Modie, and yes, I crank 15 won't come, and there was another electoral area, no, 20 delegates. Out of 20, only one showed up.
Wow.
The rest of their coordinators, omo kra no omo man omo bitie na sem kra and I scan or channel opa on billions they won't show up. So this tell you how the delegates are descending. And two, what happened on the ground source? His macho men that he brought by the end of the day were fighting with the policemen around. Nti etutu asem na de bia ye ka ho asem no or the aba air Western region air value adwomrodura. And two, or the form CB ba say ye fail and voice e ha no ehia me pa o say ye delegate o pese o fail na adwuma nti wa me form say fail ba ye mi say ho say delegate we have only 3 months na ye mandate party for the man say Enfanye executive no ending. And this 3 months no ye koto aba. Nti me na wo de file na ma me say me feel na wo be di president a wo be fa mo adwuma mu. Ye koto police station election. Na se me ni a. Na chese adwuma no wo be sa de ama me still ana won fa ma me. These were the questions people were asking and some of the delegates who was saying say ade ye wo power kra na wo ye board chairman or Ghana Gas kra no. The 3 constituency on Nzema land na you 2 oil or no. What did you do for us? And then open position didn't know the file about say what the file about say yan foile na uma in adwuma. Now oba fire in adwuma ma o companies na o bi o tema na akra no. Da be na what the fast by kra say yan file na fire adwuma mu ho because the senior nya kete obema obi no. Onro na onya kese so a Obama Obiti, and also a lot of heat or not a lot of delegates cancer assembly. And there was false claims that they were telling the delegates the 5 northern regions Oba Volta region, Greater Accra, Ubia Kennedy Japan to some better Abama no Intiaka Evalua Jomrodura for some support Namato Aba Ediama Kennedy no no may you say a total lie. A there or can there two teams send excuse my word for say ebia ubia sabi what utiri so kakra like you don't know where to go. Ebia say unko ba omi ana unko Ken na obeka say okay sana say other regions are Ken na tum the enemy so make Ken. But as for that one team ba omi in the constituency will deal with it because someone back on. Yes, we have police station by police station because the constituency is ours. And one thing I also back and say, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia was the reason why we lost most of the seats in parliament because with the reason say Dr. declare say we lose our abandonem. And voice, I take this as a childish statement. No, I don't have any excuse for my word. It's a childish statement, it's an empty statement, and it is a trash statement. Because if Dr. Baumia within 24 hours can collate over 40,000 police stations and see the results that or the figures that he has gained. Now, MP, what on pass or Ukuta, 100 and something police station, you cannot collect that within 24 hours, and then you, the MP now, what one, you don't even deserve to be the PC for this party. Because nipa ba konte Accra, what you me a collect whole constituency now, what team no, what you me a collect whole resource. As also I could different constituency, I could whole resource, I could different region, the whole Ghana, I collect in there within 24 hours. That's all person catch them say, oh, to constituency. Who could 120 police stations? Who could 80 police stations? Who could Ghana? I'm not sure so big could 300 police stations. That's what to me catch and say within 24 hours. When to me a collective resource, then you are useless to the party. And say you are pushing the blame on Dr. Baumia. Say Obe declare say what you to say we need abandoning. And I'm a one want to me and we need seat now. Then. Loose talk, that's what I'll say. And Obia Obekasa Emamidine Nwoya was the former Minister for Tourism, Katrina Fiku, who is the former former member of parliament for this constituency. She was saying, said Dr. Baumia say Obama 10 appointments at each constituency. Now 10 appointments, you know, that Ben I would delegate, you know. Ebesi uso inti yantoma Ken no oba obibi enyuma ama ya fa delegate no. And I was sitting there and I was like, wow. So it's Katrina Feku telling me that the DVLA na do dankwa and Dr. Baumia the brain wa azim no DVLA no are employing kwofo na the sea defense war na do e de ba azim na ono Catherine e share say yenye sea defense no. The MPH company now omugusu adwuma no omo employee nkofo ana the fishing hub na ye no employment amamu ana the cocoa district na ye see no that district office no musi no sebi ye no na ye adwuma o ana ECG new officer ye besi wazima sisi ano enzema ina unya problem e se wo de ba azim na ye hwe ye ma no sebi ye nkura na ye adwuma of ana no enye employment ni bi ana say one of the ministers or the MPs or ma benefited na do dankwa ene Baumia bema wo Katrina Fiku. And one thing I've noticed there omo Ken echini na peeved former appointees. I'm forgetting this man name. This man that was working at Vaco after that was Glover no. The Papa Bibaya forgotten his name. He's part of Kennedy campaign team no. What that was Glover called Vaco. MPP for or appoint to omo ina do omo koshe Vaco, including New Edubiase constituency organizer. Wo ba sha onu uyi sankofo ni ina di. Yekoka ho say edwuma no sesi ano baby ni ho, but this time no share NDC for position ba ko mutumi di man konfo be 3. Now focus o mu nya mo yesa de we awie mo ba ka che we evaluate adwomrodura say omo didi agyan Kennedy
Okay.
all kasa no say wa supply party no 275 pickups ni ade na ye bisa no say voice me na wo ye na mwe sebe ye ntumi nsore preko ase ye to ade de akoma party wa bra minim say party in farm adwuma even though we love the party we will vote for the party in any way no ye ntumi ka say ye bi ye sika to sa pickups bi akoma no obi obeye sa bia no ono so e benefit ubedi Ghana gas board chairman no o contract out de wo ina no edentina o currents no won ka se o ebi a ECG kura ye to abalu su ye free aban mu kura no misika na we ECG kura almost 365 million Ghana cedis no aban ni tuya ma me ase ye be free power utumi je contract ma wo ye koda board so ewo shippers council
Minua,
the people the
and
group
how Honkrana, Sag pickups in Nano or G back. Why? The history of our party, Mono, the only person who has given pickups to the party and has not taken it back, Dr. Baumia. Pickups are using for last year election. No? After election, no, they remove the stickers, and that is what the constituency chairman are using now. Onupe, ne nipa, we 30 pickups, ama party na. One idea back. So don't mind him. Don't mind him. Let me hear the rest of our friends and I'll come back to you. Mida say.
fine. Let me end this. The good people of Everado Madura have realized Kennedy Japan is it's not a man of his word. He's lying, and so could be a one, could be a bro one no. And yeah, no, no. We need critical thinkers, those who can think outside the box to rule this country. Yeah, that was it.
Mida say, Minia. Thanks for coming and giving us that vivid report in Zema Lord. Mida say, Minia. All right. Abigail Tobo, I think now about Paucho. Go forward, so. Paucho, why? All right. Ajekum, Akwaba. Ajekum, Paucho, one now, muting why. Okay, Fresh Prince, Akwaba.
Yeah, na adwuma mbɔkɔ deɛ.
Yes, I don't know as well.
Da ase ne adwuma pa nso a wɔbɔ Onyankopɔn nhyira mo.
Amen. 5 minutes in Premier.
Deɛ mɛma mɛkasa kora nwa mɛkasa kora ndro 2 minutes. Ne mo masɛm a mpɛ sɛ mɛka nyinaa ne sɛ mate sɛ Ken time bia na wɔka sɛ Baumia conceive deceive ntɛm ntina ma defeat ntɛm ntina ma yɛlusu parliament. Na mepɛ sɛ nka coalition a wɔn yɛɛyɛ no one kyerɛ me baabi a contradiction by between the Baumia yɛɛyɛ ɛne the MPs ne yɛɛyɛ a ɛkyerɛ sɛ na nka MP bia we ne na Baumia conceive defeat no ɛma yɛgye saa seat ne free saa MP no ho. MP bia wo lusu bia nkyerɛ yɛ sɛ na menya 10 na mmom because of Baumia conceive deceive defeat in term ntino yɛgye me seat free me so obi ambɛkyerɛ yɛ figures na ɔmonya yɛ no na ɔmonjae sɛ ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmo shift blame no ɛde to no so ampa wagye atum sɛ ya lusu also pɛ sɛ ɔkyerɛ sɛ gitum na wɔgitum no na ma yɛ lusu seat a mombɛkyerɛ seat a na nka yɛ we ne ya wɔgitum no nti yɛbɛgye free nsɛm me masɛm nyinaa no.
Yo, me that's a Fresh Prince. Intelligent analysis. Very, very intelligent one. All right. Hey, Ajekum. Yes.
Yeah, well, I'm saying,
Yes.
do me so nice, what drop on me. I'm saying, who meeting me?
About this, I said, now, Casa.
No one meeting me, and I'm in how I mess I okay, me,
okay.
I'm a delegate myself. I also come from Enzema. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I come from Ellenberry. But this year, I'm one or two things. But me no, I didn't bother to even attend Kennedy's gathering because me who say mpaso bi ani so.
I don't know how could you 7 cities no.
Mpaso ni so say me I made my mind to repeat Dr. Baumia last December yelusu yen. Me imagine say mesa atoma Baumia. Baumia enye necessary kwa po say o sambe hia me say oh me plans and pese me ye nti mo san to mame me ye imagine say ba omi abadua mu ko ade a he doesn't need to convince me. He doesn't because yanye ya change kufo ya change nanalo. So why should we even dream of like changing Baumia because say you didn't go back one anye ye. I mean I didn't think say yes sir. In the mall Kennedy Japan no a board chairman. Na in the man law there can't be. Me now for MPP buy no for more as casual workers or Ghana gas. So now they were made to say omo catch omo say be omo permanent or Ghana gas. Me firi ngalechi ofiri ngalechi a baabi a me firi na ekuro a ɛtɔ so baako ansa na wadu baabi a Ghana gas wɔ no hɔ ɛna meyɛ me wei no yɛfa ɔmo 8 years ni Kennedy Japan as a board chairman adɛn nti na yɛn nkɔmfoɔ na yɛfa ɔmo as casual workers ɛwɔ Ghana gas 8 years wɔntumi anyɛ ho hwee ama yɛamfa ɔmo ama yɛanyɛ ɔmo permanent sisi ano mekan NDC baayɛ ye omo kwa adwuma 3 months na omo agyae esi ebi mu kwa agyae MPP 8 years ye anka say yen call for yen tumi anyo mo permanent is it omo say you disgraceful boy omo say you disgrace yen call for de omo nu be 50 kwa o 50 kwa omo nu 8 years yen tumi anyo mo permanent wo na wo ye board chairman wo na wo say wo ba wo the jobs beba wo ye board chairman or Ghana gas yen call for want me anyo omo permanent na me no MPP no na I don't know say ye leadership and as ye need leadership because I say obi atori a the opebia no ka say ope president the dignity no o ka dia ope so enye fine e just ye nyina ye kan ye ho bom after 31st e kona kasa a ede ye nemu na say ye nyina ye hwe because
let me rest here. Should I say few days ago, I watched the MP, the Bole Bamboy MP video, the said video, and I was kind of surprised. I heard you saying that people from the northern Volta region aspect, when it comes to comments like this, you're always, it's always a worry, especially when you are from just like Ken said, when you are from the minority aspects.
Yeah, minority groups, yeah.
Yes, I am from the Upper West, so when I see people like the MP addressing, people from the North, people who are not supposed to be, talking about things like this, I become so sad. Yes, these are areas where people believe that, our life is different from the rest of Ghanaians. Yes, that is many people. These are beliefs from many people. If somebody would disagree with me, but these are realities that people have been speaking on. So to have MP who made such a reckless comment and MPs who were behind him was clapping that to understand that let me say they were enjoying, they were really happy.
Yeah.
Yes, MPs. And I remember when somebody, just like you were saying, when somebody described Rollins' father as Senator Rollins as a mother of daughter of a murderer, people were all over. Traditional rulers have to march to the Supreme Court, Parliament, floor of Parliament, demanded that they must brought out the person, or else they were going to do whatsoever. And today, people really believe that the said comments were in order. That is the level of hypocrisy that is within our political space. That is in the politics of Ghana.
Right.
It's time we condemn some of these reckless comments. We cannot keep entertaining some of this. Unfavorable.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right, Nzema Lord, good evening. Can you unmute yourself, Nzema Lord?
Big brother, how are you?
I'm alive with yourself.
Yo, my big brother, how are you?
I'm alive, yourself.
I'm doing good. I think it's been a while since the national delegate
conference. Yes. Please speak up a little bit.
Yeah, and I can see you are looking handsome now.
Aish.
I
Thank
think
you.
let me take this opportunity and greet each and everyone on this special platform. I think I'm in Western region, and as you can see, your man Kennedy is around.
Pacho kasa
And
kasa
this
dinka
is what
krawa
I
min
want to
tissue.
say this evening. And hello.
Yes, good. It's good now.
What's a minute?
Ah, ne. Pacho kasa.
Okay.